So hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to crochet the primrose stitch with 4mm crochet hook. Let's get into the video guys. So to start with, it is the slip knot first. Make a slip knot. So there we get the slip knot, and now we have to make a chain of 18. We have to make a chain with a multiple of 3. So continue to make 18 chains. Continue to make 18 chains. So guys, I have just made 18 chains plus 2, chain 1 and 2 plus 2 extra chains. So in total we have 20 chains. So now starting from the third chain from the hook, third chain from the hook, just insert the hook into the third chain, grab the yarn and make a single crochet, and now chain 2, and now again insert the hook inside the same chain, grab the yarn and make a single crochet. So guys, now skip 2 chains, skip 1 2 chains, and now at the third chain just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one single crochet, and chain 2, chain 2. So now again insert the hook inside the same chain and make a single crochet. So guys, now again skip 2 chains, and in the third chain over there just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make a single crochet, and make a single crochet, and chain 2, chain 2, 1 and 2. So now again into the same chain over there just insert the hook and make a single crochet, and make a single crochet. So guys, this one is a pattern for this row. Again skip 2 chains, and at the third chain make one single crochet, chain 2, and again one more single crochet into the same chain, into the same chain. So guys, this one is the pattern. Repeat for the rest of the row. I'll meet you. So guys, I have just completed few chains, and now I am left with 2 more chains at the end. And now skip the first chain, and at the last chain make one half double crochet, make one half double crochet. So guys, this is how it looks with the first row. And now to start with the second row, chain 1 2 and 3, and turn your work, and now just go inside the chain 2 space over there. This chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, and now go to the chain 2 space over there, inside the chain 2 space over there. So we have to make 1 double crochet inside the chain 2 space over there, make 1 double crochet, make 1 double crochet. So again make one more double crochet, make one more double crochet, one more double crochet, and again one more double crochet inside the same chain 2 space, inside the same chain 2 space. So guys, in total we have to get 3 double crochets inside the chain 2 space. The same you have to repeat for the next chain 2 space. Just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 double crochet, and make 1 double crochet, and again 2 more double crochets. So again the second double crochet inside the chain 2 space, inside the chain 2 space, and the third double crochet inside the same chain 2 space, inside the same chain 2 space. So guys, we have got 3 double crochet inside the chain 2 space. So this one is a pattern you have to repeat for the row. So again we have to make 3 double crochets inside the chain 2 space. So continue guys, I'll meet you at the end. So now again with the next chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet and 2 more last double crochet inside the same chain 2 space, so that we get a total of 3 double crochet inside the chain 2 space. So guys, we have got 3 double crochet. So this one is a pattern guys, you have to repeat for each of the chain 2 spaces. Continue guys, I'll meet you. So guys, I have done few double crochets, and at the end of this row we have to end the row by just making 1 double crochet at the last chain over there. At the last chain over there, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 double crochet. Make 1 double crochet. So guys, this is how it looks with the first and the second row, the primrose stitch. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. The first and the second row of the primrose stitch. So guys, to start with the next row, chain 1 and turn your work, and now at the very first stitch over there, make 1 half double crochet, make 1 half double crochet, make 1 half double crochet, and now into the center double crochet, in between the 2 double crochet, the center double crochet, just insert the hook and make 1 single crochet, make 1 single crochet. Now chain 2, and now again just insert the hook inside the same stitch over there and make 1 more single crochet. So guys, this one is a pattern. Into the center, into the middle double crochet over there, into the middle double crochet over there, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 single crochet, and chain 2 and make 1 more single crochet inside the same stitch, inside the same stitch. So guys, again into the middle double crochet over there, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make 1 single crochet, make 2 chains, and again 1 single crochet inside the same stitch, make 1 single crochet inside the same stitch. So guys, this one is a pattern you have to repeat for the rest of the row. Continue guys, I'll meet you. So guys, I have just done few single crochets and I'm at the end of the row. So to end the row, just yarn over, go to the top of the chain 3, just insert the hook, and grab the yarn and make 1 half double crochet, make 1 half double crochet. So now with the next row, chain 3, 1 2 and 3, and now turn your work, and with the same pattern guys, chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, just insert the hook inside the chain 2 space over there and make 3 double crochets, make 1, the second double crochet, and the third double crochet inside the chain 2 space, inside the chain 2 space. So guys, at the next chain 2 space, again we have to make 3 double crochets. So this one is the pattern guys. Continue for the rest of the row. I'll meet you. So guys, to end the row, we have to make one double crochet at the space over there. At the last stitch over there, just insert the hook, grab the yarn and make one double crochet and make one double crochet. So guys, this one is the primrose stitch. This is how it looks. I hope you like the video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my video, guys. Happy crocheting. If you have any doubt, please leave it in the comment box.